Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, your Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. And today I am sponsored by North Idaho BlackHills barbecue. Look at this. I am going to make you my ultimate American food. It is called barbecue ribs pork with sweet and sassy by Idaho. I'll be back. Alright, so this is 2 pounds of pork ribs. But I have to wash it with cold water, yeah? To be safe. I'm gonna tell you a technique. In order for your pork ribs to be more tender and more flavorful, there is a membrane behind your ribs. I'm gonna show you the membrane where I'm going to take off. And if you want your ribs to be super moist and tender, take off the membrane. So when you put all your marination sauce or flavoring into your meat, it will stick into the meat, not into the membrane. Our ribs, you see that? Take this out. You can take this out. So no more membrane here. Now this is the time to marinate your pork ribs. Let me just wash my hands. I'll be back. After washing my hands, now it's time to put our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's start making the flavorful for our ribs. And here it is. It's super simple. All you gotta have to do is put 2 tablespoons of ground garlic, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cayenne. Mix this all well together like so. See that? Now let's start rubbing this to our pork ribs. Just turn it. Now this is gonna stick very well because we already took off the membrane. And try not to rub it. Let it sit there because if you rub it, the flavoring, it won't be the same. Just tap it. Let that be set for 10 minutes and I will be right back. Time for the lemon. Take all the seed from the lemon. Put that into your meat like so. Turn it to the other side and put the other half of the lemon juice. Just squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Let that be marinated for 10 minutes. Set up. Yum! Now it's time to put our pork ribs inside our oven for 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Now time to get our ribs inside our oven. And we're gonna let this set to be chill for at least 10 minutes and then we're going to rub sweet and sassy. Pull out the exceeding water. We do not need that. And again, if you are a home cook mom and you do not have enough time to cook, I'm gonna tell you, but if you love barbecue, this is the barbecue sauce for you. Pop open the bottle and pour all this. Let this be marinated first for 10 minutes. I will be right back. I'm just gonna wash my hands. It has been 10 minutes. Now time to put this back inside the oven for 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Yum. Now it's sizzling. Yum! Look at this. And look at our ribs. Our ribs are ready and I'm cutting it for you. And I'm gonna tell you, you are going to love this one. It's super moist too. Oh, look at that. Sassy, yeah, and sweet. Well, this is so good. I'm good. I hope you get to enjoy my YouTube channel here. So anyway, Chef Coco Cruz. I love you all. I want to say thank you again to my sponsor on BlackHills barbecue sauce. This is super fantastic. Please order this sauce. You guys are going to love it. Wow. Yeah. Now time to put our chicken. Let's make the chicken. Ate Jackie, I love you so much. Thank you for my beautiful dress. I have to pick up the ribs.